Right now we're actually taking the bumper off of Tristan's Skyline because we're gonna go drive and drop it off at the shop, and then he's gonna get the bumper painted separately. So we're taking that off, head to dinner, and then we'll go head out to the shop.
Oh yeah.
What Tristan's bash bar looks like, because his bumper's always been on here, but
yeah, yeet.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Dang, matches the car too.
Rubbing so much on there, but yeah.
Nice. Look at this. We got an R32 Miata. Custom body kits available. Man, it's pretty low right now. We just finished up eating at Dugan's, and we're gonna go on our way to the shop now. Got both the cars looking real clean. We got this guy in here.
Damn, that was a tasty burger.
Dugan's makes some good burgers.
Yeah, that was a nice burger.
All right, see you at the shop.
First time with the camera in my hands, but yeah, we just got the Bretts, as you can see. We didn't really want to record the interaction because no, it's just
We're not weirdos.
We're not weirdos.
I mean, we are weirdos, but in our own way.
It's a private garage, you know what I mean? So, shout out to FenFab, very good guy. He does amazing work. So, yeah, go give him a follow on Instagram and get some shit by him because he does some good fabrication.
Yeah, it's a really cool garage.
Yeah. Yeah, it's real cool.
It was really cool. Doesn't it smell like summer?
Who was that?
I'm not sure what direction that was.
Where did that come from?
I don't know. Somebody just yelled.
That was funny.
Hold your horses. It wasn't that crazy.
Speed. I am speed.
Almost home.
Here? Oh,
There's always a cop in here, so I have to be careful. Back at the home.
alright. Now we're gonna throw this motherfucker on this motherfucker.
Thank you, PG.
Oh, bleep it out, alright?
Bleep it, I'll bleep it.
Just keep mode up.
This?
Beep, beep.
On this.
We're gonna sell this to some California kid.
Yeah. I'll insert that clip here. Alright, we just put a towel down on the roof. Go for it.
I don't know. Is that?
I think right in the middle like that.
Yeah, we're getting in though.
Oh yeah, good point.
Oh god.
They're like the frameless doors, so works out. For closing, we'll have to prop it up a little bit, but we have a perfectly capable truck just sitting there. Keys are inside, but hey, why not do it the fun way? Oh wait, I can't see out the back window though. Yeah, I don't think this is even doing anything. Oh, it was kind of. All right, well that's good enough.
Just scratch your new roof.
It's fine.
So we got it so that I got my hand on this right here, and he's got his hand on that. Yeah.
I feel like a gum tape death match right now.
This is true. It feels so sketchy, dude. Oh my gosh.
Good thing Tristan only lives an hour and a half away. If it was like 4-hour drive, that'd be terrible.
An hour and a half. Imagine doing.
Anyway, you can check that window. See if there's anyone coming.
Oh, you're good. One hand shifting. I do that on daily though.
Yeah, same with me. It's not that bad at all.
I swear, I'm just like chilling, like I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I have my hand out the window.
Yeah.
And just shift with one hand, drive with one hand. Sometimes I don't even drive with any hands. I just like put my knees on the steering wheel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I do that a lot though. It's kind of dangerous.
What about what's his name? Timmy Turner's dad from Fairly Odd Parents. He drove with his foot that one time.
Yes. Insert clip here.
Yeah.
Mr. Turner? It's me! Mr. Turner! I'm driving with my feet!
Dude, imagine like a cop.
Yeah, that's
Just
what I'm
seeing
kind of
this.
wondering about. Good thing it's literally just straight down this road. Oh, my hands get cold though.
Oh yeah, me too. It's freezing. And so we were talking about how warm it was on the way
Yeah, I
here.
know.
But we stick our hands out the window and it's...
Yeah, the second the sun goes down, we have your hand out the window.
Oh yeah, dude. Just goes flying.
I wonder what MPG I'm getting right now.
Fucking... probably it's nice MPG, not gonna lie.
Yeah, probably still like 22 or something. It was
Oh
so
dude,
bumpy.
it's so bumpy.
Alright, I literally have to drive on like the other lane.
I hate going down this way for...
Me too, it's bad.
Dude, it's so bad.
In through the other part, not bad. That's usually the worst part.
Dude, the camera like footage is so bumpy.
I'm almost there. Kind of hope this light turns green because I don't really want to be sitting at a stoplight with a bumper on top of the car.
Oh yeah, that'd be a little shit. Oh, beep! Oh gosh.
This dude's gonna be like, what the heck?
See, can I see him? No, the bumper's in the way.
NANI?
This like road looks like a movie scene.
Really?
Yeah, doesn't it look like it's just like the
Like all
way
the
the
trees in the house.
Yeah. It's kind of like cutting into me, like the bumper.
I know, my hand is like so sore. Wide. It's right here.
Scrape.
Nah,
Oh.
pretty good.
Alright, we made it, boys. We made it. Bumper secured.
Yeah. House has a nice little photo opportunity here.